This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. Turnkey and ready now. Large open floor plan with 9 feet ceiling provides an amazing flow. Kitchen upgraded with large island, pendant lighting, slate appliance package, subway tile backsplash and hand-selected granite. Every detail was met and it makes the white cabinetry stand out. Luxurious flooring on main level complete with powder room for entertaining. This home is tastefully appointed with lighting, window blinds and more. Why wait when this home is complete and ready now? 2-car garage with opener, full walkout basement with bathroom and plumbing and a water treatment loop if ever desired. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick Boswell at 304-263-2121.